Chapter 10 Operators in Python. In this chapter, operators in Python, arithmetic operators, augmented assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity operators, operator precedence, bug. We all know that Python is an open source and easy to learn programming language. Some of the key features of Python we have already studied in previous class. In this chapter, we will learn about different operators in Python. History of Python. Python is a widely used general-purpose high-level programming language. It was initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code readability, and its syntax allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Operators in Python. Operators are the symbols used in programming language to manipulate the data to generate the desired result. The value on which operator is applied is called operand. There are different types of operators for different functions to perform. Arithmetic operators, augmented assignment operators,
relational or comparison operators,
logical operators, membership operators, identity operators, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division. Arithmetic operators are further divided into two categories. Unary operator. They operate on only one operand. For example, a is equal to plus 10 signs the value plus 10 to the variable a, and a is equal to minus 10 assigns the value minus 10 to the variable a.
Program 1. A program to demonstrate the use of the unary operator.
Binary operator. They operate on two operands. For example, a plus b, a minus b, a into b. A program to demonstrate the use of the binary operator. Operator, name, purpose, example, result. Plus addition operator. It adds two values, 16 plus 2, 18. Minus subtraction operator. It subtracts one value from another, 16 minus 2, 14. Multiplication. Multiplication operator. It multiplies value on either side of the operator. 16 into 2, 32. Division. Division operator. It divides left operand by right operand. 17 divided by 2, 8.5. Percentage. Remainder operator. It gives the remainder of a division. 15% to 1. Exponential operator. It calculates the exponential power value. 15 exponential to 2, 225. Floor division. It performs division and gives only the integer quotient. 15 floor division to 7. Augmented assignment operators. The assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. For example, a is equal to 2 is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 2 to the variable a. Augmented assignment operators combine the functioning of assignment operator with arithmetic operators. Operator, example, same as example, output. Plus is equal to x plus is equal to y. X is equal to x plus y. X plus is equal to y. Print x. 16. Minus is equal to x minus is equal to y. X is equal to x minus y. X minus is equal to y. Print x. 4. X is equal to x into is equal to y. X is equal to x into y. X into is equal to y. Print x. 60. Divided by is equal to x divided by is equal to y. X is equal to x divided by y. X divided by is equal to y. Print x. 1.666 percent is equal to x percent is equal to y. X is equal to x percent y. X percent is equal to y. Print x. 4. Exponential. X exponential is equal to y. X is equal to x exponential to y. X exponential 2 is equal to y. Print x 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Program 4. Write a program to swap the value of two variables. Relational operators. They are also known as comparison operators because they compare two values and return the Boolean value, that is, either true or false. Python uses the relational operators like Python comparison operators. Symbol, meaning, example, result. Less than 5 is less than 2. False. Greater than 5 is greater than 2. True. Less than or equal to. 5 is less than equal to 2. False. Greater than or equal to. 5 is greater than equal to 2. True. Equal to. 5 is equal to 2. False. Not equal to. 5 is not equal to 2. True. Program 5. A program to demonstrate the use of relational operators. Logical operators. These operators are used to compare two or more expressions. And, or, and not are mainly three types of logical operators which can be used in the Python programs to combine conditions and do decision making. Operator, description, example. And this operator will generate the final result as true if all the specified conditions are true. True or false. True. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 3. True or false. True. False or true. True. False or false. False. Print x is less than 10 and y is greater than 1. False. Or this operator will generate the final result as true if any or all the specified conditions are true. True or true. True. True or false. True. False or true. True. False or false. False. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to 7. Print x is equal to 5 or y is equal to 5. True. Not. They reverse the result. True becomes false and vice versa. Makes false result true and true result false. X is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9.5. Print not x is equal to y. True. Membership operators. They are the operators used to check whether a given value is present in another object or not. The values are checked from the object which has a group of values. There are two membership operators, in and not in. In. It returns true if the value is found in the group of values. Identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. The two identity operators are is and is not. Note: in Python, the objects with the same value will have the same memory location. Is returns true if both variables are the same object. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same objects. X is equal to 12. Print 12 is x. True. Print 18 is not x. True. Operator precedence. The term precedence simply means an order of priority. Most of the time, while programming, you encounter expressions where there are more than one operators. In such situations, the operations take place based on the precedence and associativity of the operators. When two operators with the same precedence occur in the same expression, then the interpreter executes them either from right to left or left to right based on their level. This is known as associativity. Higher precedence operators are evaluated before the lower precedence operators. However, when the operators of the same precedence occurs in the same expression, then the interpreter executes the operator that comes first. In Python, we have the following operator precedence. Operator description. Parenthesis, grouping, exponentiation, positive, negative, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, addition, subtraction, comparisons, membership, identity, Boolean not, Boolean and, Boolean or. Let us look at some example to understand operator precedence better. Bug. A bug is an error in the program. Any event that occurs unexpectedly and results in different output is due to a bug. A bug can result in infinite loops or crash of the program. The process of finding error is called debug. Selection. The selection statement allows a program to check many conditions and execute instructions based on the condition that is true. Let's see with the help of an example. Example of selection. In this pseudocode, we will check if the age entered by the user is of an adult citizen or not. A person is an adult citizen if his age is above 18 years. When you follow the sequence of the pseudocode, you see that the program makes the choice that whether it will use in the if statement or else statement. If the age is more than or equal to 18, the program enters the if block. If the age is less than 18, the program enters the else block. These selection statements are also called conditional statements. We will learn about conditional statements in the next class. Revision time. Python can be downloaded from its official website www.python.org. Identifiers are the names used to identify the memory location where the data is stored. In Python, the variables are called the objects. Operators are the symbols used in programming language to manipulate the data to generate the desired result. The value on which operator is applied is called operand. Operator precedence is the priority order of an operator according to which it is evaluated. Exponent operator has right to left associativity in